Good evening, namaste, adab, sat sri akal. Very, very warm welcome to the Shruti Dutt Show. Every Saturday, 7 p.m., we meet somebody really inspiring and we chat with the person to learn something from their life and to imbibe it in our own lives. So today I'm really, really excited because I have somebody really awesome to chat with and somebody I really, really admire a lot personally. So her name is Mala Mansukhani. She is a 62-year-old, very young lady. And when the first time I saw Mala, she came across dressed in absolute strength and dignity, and she looked so wonderful. She was wearing a very gorgeous dress, and I didn't know what she was all about, except that I just looked at her with complete admiration, and I said, yes, this is how a woman should be. And later, when I got to know her more, I mean, the list is endless. What is she not? She is a fashion designer, she's a philanthropist, she's the fittest grandmother, she has five grandchildren. She has done a lot of work with older people in society. She has run marathons. She has climbed mountains. She's done everything you can think of. And it's not that she has achieved all this in a very cushioned kind of lifestyle. She's had her fair, share of struggles. She has come out victorious. And as they say, the person who suffers the most becomes the strongest. Isn't that so, Mala?
True, true.
So I welcome you, Mala, with lot of joy to this evening, this chat we are going to have for the benefit of our viewers at 10 News. And I would here like to thank everybody who's joining in with us from all over the country and the globe. Please write in where you're joining in so that we know that you're there with us. That would be so lovely. So without wasting too much time or with me talking first, I would like to invite Mala to introduce herself a bit.
Thank you, Shrutish. Thank you for having me on your show. And yes, my name is Mala
Great to know.
Mansekani, and I don't know what to say.
Just
Um,
tell us the most recent success you've had first, Mala. The thing you've beaten all the men at it. I'm so excited about that. Please share it with all the women. I mean, becoming a commando, come on. At
okay,
62,
tell you this,
getting a
it's very
commando
funny.
training. I want to hear every detail of that first.
This is so funny. In my school time, I was the tallest among all students in my class, I'm talking about. And whenever there was a PT period, exercise, I always used to bunk. I hate it completely. And I didn't know where I'm going to end. And look, today I'm full of sports, fitness. It's so much passion in me. And last 4 5 years, I've been really working very hard, looking for if there is any training for commando, for females. The only reason for this is that I don't want only women are mentally very, very strong and powerful. But then I want to
Absolutely.
be physically powered. And I don't want physical power doesn't mean that you have abs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You can do all the activities that men can do, what I mean, like climbing rocks and rifle shooting and stuff like that. So every time I called somebody and I was always disappointed and they said, nahi, nahi, first of all, to age criteria, ये सब ट्रेनिंग होती है 35 40 के अंदर एंड 40
Absolutely.
नेवी वालों को 40 आई थिंक 40 के बाद it's there's no scope like even if
Okay.
they are in the navy so 40 के अंदर people mostly have completed everything so they come very young so ऐसे करते करते never gave up, and then one this training school I found out and they said we do this. I said, listen, can I ask you one question? Is there any age criteria? They said, well, as long as you know that you can do it, it's fine. I said, just sign me up right now. So I went for this commando training school and I always like to challenge myself. always. I'll always find things that I think I cannot do, I must do it. So in 2006, I was the only grandmother walking the rounds for Mrs. Gladrax of India. And
Absolutely.
then they gave me a title of Mrs. Courageous because I was the only grandmother.
Grandmother.
And जितने भी थे ना मेरे बच्चियों के एज ग्रुप के थे, only 1 year married, 2 years married, and I was like 25 years married that time. So uh, and I have phobia of heights. तो मैंने सोचा ये मिसेस करेजियस तो मुझे मिल गया तो इसका कुछ मुझे और ज्यादा सम्मान करना पड़ेगा, I
Wow.
yeah. So my very first mountain trekking was Kalsubai Mountains, which is the highest mountains in
Highest peak.
Maharashtra. So
Wow.
then I went and I just called that sir and I said, "Sir, मुझे mountain trekking के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?" He said, "आप fitness में हो?" मैंने कहा, "मैं fitness करती रहती हूँ, but आपके पास कोई age barrier है तो मुझे अभी बता दो." He said, "नहीं, as long as आप fitness कर रहे हो." तो I said, "Is there any special training I have to do?" मेरे पास सिर्फ एक week का समय था. So he said, "एक काम करो, आपके घर पे सीढ़ियां है?" मैंने कहा है. कहते कौन से फ्लोर पे हो? मैंने कहा 7. कहते दिन में सीढ़ियां चढ़ती रहो. एंड
Wow.
यू वॉन्ट बिलीव मैं रोज दिन में नॉन स्टॉप 2 बार नीचे ऊपर आती थी, यू नो
Seven
एंड
cause.
yeah, and since then I kept this habit on and off. I go by the stairs, I don't take a lift. So this is what I like to challenge. And then now this was like mountains. जब ऊपर जाती हूँ ना देखती हूँ मुझे oh my god, I don't want to look, because it's so scary. And then wahan se we do rappelling. Matlab you're at the edge of the mountain and you're
Yes.
standing with your hands open and then you're going down. I thought I will not be able to do, and I told my sir, sir, मुझे नहीं लगता मैं कर पाऊंगी. तो I said, sir, अगर मैं कर पाई ना तो मैं आपको पार्टी जरूर दूंगी. Like it is so much excitement in me. तो
Yeah.
मैंने सारी एक्टिविटीज इतने अच्छी तरह से किया एंड मेरे सारे ग्रुप में वी आर 14 ऑफ अस, 14 का बैच था. उसमें एक 50+ था एंड रेस्ट ऑल वे 25, 26 ऐसे. एंड
Wonderful.
बिलीव मी, एक बार भी मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगा कि आई एम गेटिंग टायर्ड, आई शुड स्लो डाउन, नथिंग. एंड ऑल दे वर सरप्राइज्ड, everybody. In fact, I got a special pin for doing all these activities, and that was really an honor, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि yes, I can do it. Actually, human
Wonderful.
इतना है, once you decide you can do, you can.
You
Afin
have
ka
to
book,
just
you can,
believe
you
in
will.
it. You know, a lot of us like to fantasize mountaineering and all these things which
Yeah,
you've actually done, even maybe winning a glad rags after a certain
yeah,
age. But to actually be able to go out there and challenge it. So
yeah.
Mala is one of those people who has actually looked at challenges dead in the eye and then winked at them, right? And
I
come out
really
victorious.
myself
So
now that I
yeah,
do more and more.
so smoothly you have been able to first win this title of Mrs. Gladrags as a grandmother, and tell me a little more about that experience. How did the others feel, who were not grandmothers, and when you won, what was the reaction?
Actually, I never thought competition wise,
Okay.
and I never wanted to go all because I used to run a boutique that time. So
Yeah.
all my friends are saying, Mala, you're so good because मैं अपने clothes की खुद ही modeling करती थी. In those,
Absolutely, I've seen your clothes. They're fascinating.
in
Yes.
these like I used to run my show, my boutique, and also America. Why do I need to hire people? So I used
Right.
to do my own modelings and फिर album बनाती थी, रखती थी. So when my clients used to come, they used to see. So once my friend, every year when Mrs. Gladrax came, my friends used to say, "Why don't you go?" I said, "मेरे पास time नहीं है." So one of my friend who is very close, her name is Chaya, and she said, "You know what? तू जा नहीं जा, मैं तेरे फोटो भेजती हूँ." तो she took out from my album and sent them. And then I got the letter that I'm selected. And this is how my journey started. And trust me, इतने यंग लड़कियां थी और मुझे जरा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं हुआ बिकॉज मुझे ये लगा कि मैं इससे सीखने आई हूँ. So
Just
that
having fun and learning, yes.
yeah,
Challenging it.
yes, it was a beautiful experience, and I think one should experience. पता है क्या श्रुति, हमारे समाज में और हमारे एक age के बाद सबको ऐसे लगता है लोग क्या कहेंगे, you know.
Absolutely.
And
I've been
I
through
don't,
that.
I don't bother, you know. अगर तुम comfortable हो किसी चीज में करो. If you're not comfortable, don't do it. Don't think over लोग क्या कहेंगे because ऐसे सोचते सोचते आप रह जाओगे.
But Mala, you are not comfortable in things and still you challenge them. That is the spirit you have.
Yeah, I mean, you
It
know,
is not about being comfortable. It is actually taking up challenges which you've been doing. So that is so inspiring and so awesome, you know. And not just that, like you have. Okay, tell me something about your childhood. How did you grow up? Were you in Bombay or were you in London? What was your, you know,
no, I'm
what's your?
born and brought up in Mumbai, and
Just one more thing I want to know. I'm out of sheer curiosity for those who love talking about zodiacs. When is the birthday or the zodiac, whatever you want to share?
September, I'm Virgo.
Virgo.
Yeah.
Okay. So great. So whom do you share your birthday with? Any
Who
idea?
shared my birthday? Actually, there are many. I think देखो, I'm very bad, but I think Karina.
Wow.
I'm
Perfect.
not too sure because I'm very bad with dates. You know what? मुझे ऐसे लगता है I shouldn't compare myself with anybody. किसका birthday क्या? I also remember
I see out of curiosity. I thought let me just ask you that too.
Lucky Ali, I think उसका और मेरा बर्थडे एक दिन आगे पीछे है. सो एक बार हम लोग ने दोनों ने साथ में सेलिब्रेट किया था.
किसका?
लकी अली.
Lucky Ali. Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So
Lovely.
yeah, but there are many actually. अभी मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है. But I
So
don't
let's
get
talk about your childhood. Like, did you grow up thinking that you'll be really a strong woman like you are as a child? Were you very strong, playful? What
no.
sort of a girl were you when you were growing up?
Listen, my mom went through a very, very rough phase. You know, single parent, she brought 4 daughters up, and my mom was, she was into fashion designing, and she used to have 15, 20 carigers, and she used to work day and night, only thinking कि मैं जरा सा भी time नहीं waste करूं because she had this mission कि मैं अपने बच्चों को convent में पढ़ाऊं. So everybody around her used to say कि एक तो तुम अकेली औरत हो, इतनी क्यों मेहनत कर रही हो, उनको कौन से भी स्कूल में डाल दो ना. What is this big thing about convent school? Mom said no, कुछ भी हो जाए ये मेरा सपना है और ये मैं पूरा करूंगी. So basically my childhood was very rough. मम्मी ज्यादा हम लोग को टाइम नहीं मिलता था to spend, to talk, because all the time my mom I used to see her on sewing machine. And the only good thing I remember is mom जब भी सिलाई करती थी ना, हमारे घर पे वो records आते थे पुराने टाइम के.
Yes, those black gramophone records.
ग्रामोफोन थिंग. तो मम्मी गुरबानी के शब्द चलाती थी.
Okay.
और बचपन से लेके जाने अनजाने में that came so much into my mind कि मुझे उस चीज का अब जाके एहसास होता है कि whatever you see around you as a child, it plays a very important role. I saw my mom working very hard. शब्द सुने, मम्मी ने कोई अपने लिए कोई भी चीज नहीं की, socializing, friends को बुलाना, nothing. She basically dedicated her whole life for her 4 daughters.
Wow.
So, and I was very naughty among all the 4,
So were you the youngest?
I was third one.
Okay.
मेरी
So you had 2 elder sisters.
Yes.
Okay.
तो ये था कि मैं पता नहीं बचपन से I was very talkative, I was very मस्तीखोर, चुप नहीं बैठना है, all these things.
But did you climb trees and jump off roofs? Did you do those kind of things also?
I did, and भले ही मैं कितनी talkative थी, लेकिन हमारे घर पे बचपन से like I didn't see any male member. Like मेरे
Okay.
dad थे, मामा नहीं था, चाचा नहीं. So हम लोग ज्यादा ओपन और एक्सपोज किसी चीज पे नहीं थे. घर का ही माहौल था उसी के अंदर, बट उसमें मैं बहुत चंचल थी घर पे सबसे बस.
Wow. And so then you grew up and became, did you get your training as a fashion designer initially? Like you trained or you just started working straight away?
I just started working because मेरा बचपन
Yep.
यही देखते देखते निकला.
You knew it all. Yeah, you
Yeah.
had the experience.
When
Okay.
I used to see all these nice fancy glittery
And
clothes,
then when did marriage happen?
sorry,
When did marriage happen? When did you
when did
get married?
that was also like not planned, just it happened, you know. Of course, I was in love with the guy, but मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि this is called love. And when he said to my mom, I want to marry her, when I heard, I said, is he crazy? What is marriage? And I really
How
married
old,
very
how old were you?
18.
18. Wow.
Yeah. So it was like,
That's young.
you know, very early, like, बिल्कुल
Yes.
किसी चीज का अंदाजा नहीं था what's happening with my life. Basically, I was just going with the flow, you know.
Right.
And by the age of 20, I was already a mother of 2 kids.
Wow. Yes. So you have 3 children at the moment, right?
Yes, I
Three
have.
children, 5 grandchildren,
Yes.
and 3 adopted, or you can say the spouses, mother-in-law to 3, mother to 3, and grandmother to 5. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a huge number, big family. And everybody, but I'm so, happy to see what a lovely role model they have in you, all of them.
Thank
So inspiring and so wonderful. You're actually, I'm sure, leading them to a lot of more physical activities and energy too. Are your children involved in these kind of activities also?
No, the work that I do, they are not. But you know, sometimes what happens is like जाने अनजाने में जैसे मैंने कहा, I learned fashion designing because I used to be. My daughter youngest was in boarding. She had no choice because in her team there was one member less, and they had told her you have to get up and run tomorrow. You know,
Okay.
so she started running, and now she's a Nike pacer. She's a
There you
lawyer.
are.
So this is how things just keep happening, you know. So,
Yes.
and I always feel, you know, normally क्या सब बोलते हैं, you should plan. And I don't think I got a chance. It just went with the flow, everything. And I don't believe also in planning. Sometimes लोगों के लिए planning work करता है. Sometimes it doesn't. It just, for me, it doesn't work at all. The day I plan something, it never works out. So I never do that.
I totally resonate with you on that. Too much of
Yes,
planning is not my thing. It doesn't
exactly.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah, and especially now, a lot of people have realized too much of planning, like COVID has taken over all the plannings we had for these years.
Yes, yes.
So,
And
yeah,
strongly believe गुरु ग्रंथ साहब की जो भी मैं सीधी सुनती थी बचपन में,
Hanji.
I used to feel कि जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो
Hmm.
रहा है. Because आज हमको लगता है हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन कल हमको पता है कि this is only good for us. So I
True,
just
true.
surrender myself and let it happen. जो
So,
भी
any
होना.
of your favorite shabads you'd like to share with all of us?
Oh, there are so many शब्द, you know, बहुत सारे
कोई भी
हैं.
एक सुना दो. कौन सा
Oh,
favorite है?
मैं मेरे यंग डेज में ये गाती थी, गुरु मेरे संग सदा है नाल, माय गुरु मेरे संग सदा है नाल. So this was, I truly always believe it's there because मेरे साथ कुछ भी अगर बुरा होता था ना, वो मैं फेस करके जाती थी, लेकिन मुझे लगता था there is a strong force behind me. ये मैंने
Yes.
नहीं की, ये करवाया गया है, and that Waheguru has done for me.
Wow, that's so awesome.
Yeah,
So
that's
complete faith has, given you that strength and
yeah,
that courageous character, like Mrs. Courage, you've been declared by
yes,
everybody, and you have actually proved it,
yeah.
by continuing to be Mrs. Courageous. And I don't see any, even a quantum, a little bit of fear in your, the way you speak or about the future. There is no fear in your life. I don't think you understand fear, which
I
is a big problem with most people after crossing middle age, especially. and
Yeah.
in the third phase of life, there is a
Yeah.
lot of fear and anxiety about what will happen in old age, who will take
Yeah.
care of them, will they be able to look after themselves, will they need help. तो इतना
Yeah.
ज्यादा वो सोचते हैं, तो उसी से they kind of spoil their days,
मेरी
I should
मम्मी
say.
बहुत ज्यादा सोचती थी. My mom.
हाँ हाँ
मम ज्यादा सोचती थी, तो मैं मम को कहती थी, मम्मा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तेरे साथ गुरु है और मैं तो तेरे साथ हुई हूँ. व्हाई आर यू वरीड? क्या
yes.
होने वाला है? कुछ कम होगा तुम्हारे सोचने से, तो बहुत ज्यादा सोचो. अगर नहीं तो फिर just go with the flow, have your faith. तो मम्मी used to always
You keep yourself extremely busy also, I think.
yes.
Mala, you have a really hectic schedule from right 5 a.m. in the morning. Could you share with all of us, like especially women, maybe me also, who would go and try to pick up an anti-aging cream rather than go for a jog, which you have actually proved is the right way to remain young,
Because
So hair dyes are out as far as I can see from your hair dyes are out, creams are out, jogging, exercise, staying happy is in, right? So I
staying
would like you to share,
I said staying happy is the magic pill. You can always remain young.
so I would like you to share something about, a perfect day in your lives, the perfect day which you feel would be the most satisfying day, what you would normally do.
My satisfying day, actually COVID के पहले तो I used to run 5 batches,
Wow.
50 plus लोगों के लिए, and उसके बाद मैं अपना 1.5 hour workout करती थी, and that gave me immense pleasure. जब मैं रात को सोती हूँ ना, तो इतना मजा आता है. It's like a blessing, you don't have to think. When you just put your head on the pillow and you're gone, and then 5 o'clock आँख खुल जाती है. So this is what I feel is blessing, you know.
Absolutely. So you
Yeah.
said you used to take 5 badges of 50 plus people. तो उसमें क्या करते थे? What do you do in that? क्या करते थे?
Actually पता है मैंने ये सबसे पहले शुरू क्यों किया? Should I tell you that? Or
Yeah, I
should I?
would love to know. क्यों किया? Why? I mean, what inspired you to do all this?
Yes, because I told you how my mom's life was.
Yes.
सारे माँ की लाइफ कैसे होती है, बेसिक जो मैं बताती हूँ उसमें थोड़ा नीचे ऊपर होता है, but how is basic? I'm sure you will relate, and many other ladies who are listening will relate to this. कि बच्चे पैदा किए, सारी जो आपके 30-40 साल है, where you want to do your things for yourself, you dedicate that for your kids. और जब
Absolutely.
ये बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, by then you feel you are very tired, exhausted, you're old, so you feel अब रिटायर करना, अब क्या करना है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड देन उसमें भी, वो रिटायरमेंट में भी आपको स्ट्रेस है. ओ मेरी बेटी का दामाद मीन्स हस्बैंड अच्छा नहीं है, पता नहीं कैसे होगी, मेरी बच्ची खुश है कि नहीं, या कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है. दिस इज कॉमन स्टोरी इन एवरीबॉडीज हाउस. या
Yes.
एंड
And
देन
society actually encourages you to retire. They won't
यस
let you, break that chain to do
या
something.
या
जैसे
एंड
अब
देन
क्या जरूरत है, बच्चे बड़े हो गए, क्या जरूरत है, डोंट डू एनीथिंग. जब बच्चे छोटे हैं तो यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर देम, तो यू कांट डू.
यू
वंस दे हैव
कांट.
ग्रोन अप, देन से क्या जरूरत है. सो
But the
इट
good I did. I'm feeling good because I did. जब मैं 25 के आसपास थी, I went through a depression. And मुझे लगा कि, and मैं मम्मी से बात नहीं कर सकती थी because I had seen her life already struggling so much.
already tough.
Problems थे, तो I couldn't discuss with her because I didn't want it to give a add-on stress to that.
I
So
understand.
I really never knew क्या करना है. और हमारे फैमिली में, as I told you, बहुत कम छोटी फैमिली थी. तो मैंने ना धीरे धीरे वॉक करना शुरू किया. एंड जब मैं वॉक करती थी, I used to communicate with myself. And as I told you, I'm a very strong believer of Guru Granth Sahib. So
Right.
मैं बात करती थी अपने आप से. So ऐसे करते करते I didn't even realize मैं घंटों भर वॉक करती थी. And then I started feeling, एक happy feeling आने लगी. Then I started doing gym join किया. जब जिम ज्वाइन किया ना तो मुझे इतना मजा आया बिकॉज वो 1.5 घंटा जिम में क्या हो रहा है अराउंड मी भूल जाती थी मैं. तब मुझे याद है मेरे इन लॉस के साइड जो बुजुर्ग लेडीज होती है ना,
हाँ
वो
जी.
कहते हैं अब बच्चे पैदा हो गए, ये फिगर किसको दिखाना है. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि क्या मेंटालिटी है, यू नो. बट उस टाइम में भी मुझे इतनी अक्ल नहीं थी कि इनको क्या समझाऊं, यू नो. आई कुड फील इट बट आई डोंट थिंक आई हैड दैट understanding to make them understand what this is making me and why it is making me feel so good within myself, so I
Right.
can take care of everything. तो
Yes.
जब मेरी मम्मी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज खत्म करके, लाइक किड्स आर मैरिड, उसके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन आ गए, एंड देन इट हिट माय मॉम सो बैडली. First she got knee replacement done, which is okay, most of them go through stone problem, okay. Then she had kidney problem, then she had dementia, then she came up with cancer, and then
Oh
she
my
had
God.
atrial fibrillation, which is a heart problem which cannot be cured. उसके पूरे lungs में पानी भर जाता था, तो every day वो bloat होती थी. And with the result ये देख देख के ना, I was like, I didn't wanted to leave my mom. मैंने अपने आप को बहुत educate किया, पढ़ी उस बारे में, हर बीमारी के बारे में. I started doing little research. There was a time where I used to even argue with doctors, you know. So what I'm trying to say is, अगर आपको पता है what is right and wrong for you, focus on that and do it. Because हम है ना तुक्के पे करते हैं कि चलो सर दर्द है गोली ले लो. What is this
Right.
गोली for you? It's only placebo effect. वो कुछ नहीं करती है. ये सब हमारे दिमाग में कि गोली लिया and I'll be fine.
Cefixaridone.
Yeah, you won't
Some
believe
can say
it.
aram. I do that.
Yeah, it doesn't help you actually. It only
I
makes
shouldn't
you
be doing
worse.
it.
ये मैं नहीं
Okay.
कहती कि आप लोग मत लो, बट एंड दूसरी मजे की बात पता है बताती हूँ. जब लोग
हाँ.
डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं,
हाँ जी.
जैसे डॉक्टर मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है वो प्रॉब्लम है, और डॉक्टर कितना टाइम देता है? हार्डली 3 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट्स, 6 मिनट्स और मैक्स 10. तो
True.
10 मिनट्स लिया, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बनाया और दे दिया, और आपने आंखें बंद करके ले ली. तो मुझे लगता है अगर आप 50 हो या 60 हो या 40 बोलो, 40 साल में अगर आपने अपने बॉडी को समझा नहीं है, 4 मिनट में आपके डॉक्टर ने जो लिख के दिया आपने वो आंखें बंद करके ले लिया, वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ.
True.
I start working on those things, understand, and जो भी change. Today, why don't we understand? Because हमारे पास खुद के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है.
True.
हम
Very true.
सारा टाइम दुनिया की भागदौड़ में चले जाते हैं, you know. So I emphasize people to give me time, like, experience yourself. तो जब
True.
मेरी मम्मी इस सारी चीजों से गुजरी तो मुझे लगा this is the common problem with all the people who are at this age. 60 के बाद कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है.
होता है.
Then I started a group where मेरे group में I had people who had cancer. I had a lady who had brain tumor. She couldn't walk. She used to take baby steps.
Oh no.
बिल्कुल चल नहीं सकती थी, ऐसे धीरे धीरे बेबी की तरह चलती थी, और she needed one person to hold. She couldn't balance. Then I had a lady who had polio. 45 of years, she had never come out of her house.
Oh my
उसको
God.
मैंने बाहर निकाला. Then others I had like cancer, brain
Yes,
tumor.
I read somewhere that you termed it as adopting grown-up kids.
Yes, so
People who are old, you said, are just like kids. So
yeah,
instead of adopting babies, you adopted these babies who
yeah.
were the older people abandoned by their families or having suffered so much that they were not being able to live a quality life.
Yeah.
Mala, my heart goes out with gratitude for what you've done for these people. I think you've done a beautiful, contribution by doing this, and also by showing it to so many of us that this is something we must look at and we must contribute in. And really, हमारी तो खैर इंडिया में tradition रही है to give lot of respect to our elders, and this tradition I think should continue. And with
Yes.
examples like you going out of the way to help, and there are so many others also who are doing this kind of thing. There are old age homes being created to really take good care of the older people, but within the families also, I think all this should be really encouraged, that to have this understanding of the older people to be grown up kids.
But I'll
you
tell
know
you one more thing. मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता कि मैंने कोई बड़ा तीर मारा. I'll tell you why. Because I'm also
हाँ,
selfish. आज की दौर में सबको ना, when you have 1 करोड़, आपको 2 करोड़ बनाना, 3 करोड़ बनाना, you want to grow in your life. And मुझे लगता है, मुझे ऐसी चीज कमानी है जो अपने साथ ले जाऊं. तो मैं उनकी दुआएं इतनी लेती हूँ ना, वो मैं साथ में ले जाऊंगी, because they love me so much and I love them so much. So I really get pleasure in doing these things.
That's so wonderful. उनकी दुआएं भी आपको लगेंगी और हम सबकी दुआएं भी आपको लगेंगी, definitely लगेंगी. And I can see कि already लगी हुई है, with the smile on your face, and what you're all about, and the youthfulness that you have, which is absolutely, and in your book you've already written a book which says grow younger, and in
Yes.
your book, in the first story, you're talking about the fountain of youthfulness.
Yes.
And there is this lady who climbs up every day, to that forest. And she
Yeah.
has that kind of strength and energy to do that, whereas
Yeah.
the younger people are not being able to do that. And I see that person as you. Of course, much more beautiful and much more younger looking than what you've described the lady to be. So you have actually, without telling any of us, secrets are बहुत रखते हो, ये मुझे पता लग गया. आपने कुछ पिया है ऐसा? Some fountain you have found, whether
मैंने
it was in
one
that,
of portion of blessings.
कुछ तो पी
Portion of
लिया है जिससे youthfulness खत्म ही नहीं होती. So
blessings.
this is the book she has written. I've been going through it. Can everybody see it? It's called Grow Younger. It's a beautiful book. I would recommend it to all the women. अच्छा, जब मैंने ये बुक ली ना, जब मेरे पास आई, it said Grow Younger. तो
Yeah.
मैंने सोचा इसमें भी there'll be some kind of face massages, some yoga exercises, and some kind of potions to grow younger. But this
Yeah.
book was absolutely, totally away from that. It didn't
Yeah.
talk about growing younger. Actually, it talked about, this ageless youthfulness, and not to be like you have actually, with your own life, you have declared that age is just a number. हम बोलते रहते हैं, age is just a number, but होता नहीं है. But with your life and the way you're living even these days, you have proved it. And in this book, you've have these wonderful chapters. You have key to ageless living. Then you have a chapter on think younger, then act younger, feel younger, be younger, and then practice youthfulness. So I would like you to discuss a little bit about, how do you think younger? Like, do you meditate on it and do you tell yourself I'm young and I will do? कैसे करते हो? How do you think younger?
See, I'll tell you everything which is हमारे day to day life में ही शुरू होता है, but हम ध्यान शायद नहीं देते हैं. अब जब मैं पहली बार ग्रैंडमदर बनी, या तो उससे पहले कभी-कभी मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाती थी, एंड मुझे ना बहुत क्रेज है डांस का, लाइक एनीथिंग टू डू विद फिटनेस, एंड आई थिंक डांस इज वन ऑफ द अमेजिंग थिंग टू कीप फिट. अगर किसको फिटनेस से नफरत है, लाइक नफरत मीन्स जैसे हमसे नहीं होता डंबल्स उठाना या और कुछ
Yeah,
एक्सरसाइज करना,
true.
डांस
They
इज
should.
अमेजिंग एंड एवरीबॉडी लव्स डांसिंग. तो मैं जब भी जाती
Yes.
थी ना विद माय फ्रेंड्स, आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड डांस, एंड वो लोग बैठते थे, दे यूज्ड टू हैव ड्रिंक्स एंड बात करते थे, एंड एक के बाद एक नंबर के ऊपर आई यूज्ड टू डांस. And I used to wear big heels, like 5-6 inches heels,
Oh
and
my
मुझे बड़ा
God.
पसंद था, yeah. So once what happened, I just went and जब मैं वेंट टू द डांस फ्लोर, मैं 2 मिनट एक्चुअली रुक गई। तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने कहा क्यों? आई सेड नहीं पता नहीं, आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग अजीब कि एक ग्रैंडमदर इज गोइंग टू डांस, इतना सबके सामने। तो ही सेड अरे एक तो यू डोंट लुक लाइक अ ग्रैंडमदर। फिर 2 मिनट मुझे ये थॉट आया, इट वाज नॉट अबाउट मी, बट इट्स हाउ पीपल टेक।
Yeah.
बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो नेगेटिव सोच करते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि ये फिगर किसको दिखानी है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, क्या जरूरत।
बट ट्रस्ट मी, वो थॉट 2 मिनट के लिए आया, एंड देन आई वेंट एंड डांस, एंड मैंने कभी उस हिसाब से सोचा ही नहीं ना। अब 5 ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन है आज तक। मेरा जो एल्डेस्ट ग्रैंडसन है, ही इज 15 years old
Right.
एंड प्लेज बैडमिंटन। तो मैं जब भी लंदन जाती हूँ, आई इक्वली प्ले बैडमिंटन विथ हिम। मैं उनको बताती हूँ कम ऑन, यू कम विथ मी फॉर रनिंग। सो आई इंडल्ज माई सेल्फ, जो जो चीजें उनको पसंद है मैं उसमें थोड़ा ऐड करके I just play with them. So I think this is a beautiful way of indulging. I mean, you give me any age group, मैं उनके
Yes.
हिल मिल जाऊंगी।
Wow.
Like मेरी मम्मी बीमार रहती थी, she was feeling so like मेरे से कोई बात नहीं करो। So I used to come her and say, मम्मा पता है क्या है, मुझे ना वो कढ़ी बनाना भूल गई है, can you please tell me, because तुम बहुत अच्छा बनाती थी। अब
Yes.
otherwise somebody would say दिमाग खराब है, वो इतनी बीमार है, बात। But you know what, my mom felt so happy, बड़े चाह से बताने लगी। Now I didn't wanted to know the recipe of curry, but the
Yeah.
thing is, I wanted to see that smile on her face, how to do. Then मेरी जो youngest sister है, she's in London. तो मैं कभी-कभी उसको फोन करती थी। I said आज मम्मी है ना बहुत लो है, you know, you just call her, because क्या है, मेरा चेहरा तो रोज देखती है। So when
True.
you call her, she'll feel more happy. And वाकई ऐसे होता था। And then my younger daughter Naina, जब वो अपने रन के लिए जाती थी, बोलती थी नानी कम कम थोड़ा वॉक करो, थोड़ा वॉक करो। So we all used to participate in that and see कि उसको क्या अच्छा लगता है। थोड़ा चेंज, that change is very important. क्योंकि
Important.
हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, अपने आप से पहले ही बेजार हुई है, एंड देन उसको और कोई मोटिव, like Saran always used to play snake and ladder with her, you know,
Oh, how sweet.
बहुत ऐसे entertain करते थे,
You've talked about board games in your book. I was going through it
Yeah,
at one point, and you have actually mentioned that board games can actually keep you younger. So
yeah,
that is one interesting tip you've given. That especially I think when family gets together and plays board games, it's very energizing for everyone, and
it's very,
it connects everyone very nicely. Also, all age
yeah,
groups can do it. Yeah.
yeah.
So that's a
So
lovely thing.
that
So
and
then
medicine,
you have also talked about the importance of reading. You say reading engages the mind in one of our most evolved cognitive abilities, which is the use of language to communicate. So you said human beings are the only living beings on this earth who use both written and spoken languages to communicate. So you've given a lot of stress on how important it is to read for everybody. And this I find, especially women who are 30 plus, most of the women I know don't like reading. They don't read anything at all these days because टीवी देख लेते हैं, न्यूज सुन लेते हैं, सब कुछ तो सुन लेते हैं और देख लेते हैं. The books and papers also, nobody reads anything. In fact,
yeah.
sometimes I share some readings with friends and I ask them, did you read it? So they say, no, we can't read 10 pages. कौन पढ़ेगा 10 pages? दो पढ़ लेंगे. That kind of attitude they
But
have.
it is good to start at least one or two at least,
Yeah,
rather than
but
reading it.
even reading 2 pages is a struggle.
No, but
you
you
know,
start
for a
with
lot of people. Not all, but a lot of people. So,
yeah.
yeah, so I think for those ladies, this tip of yours that reading is going to keep them young, keep them
Also,
mentally.
yeah, and also, what you can also do, just say, there are many images, you see, and then shut the book and see if you can draw. That increases your mental power. बहुत सारी ऐसे एक्टिविटीज हैं, या इफ आई टेल यू, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू 10 थिंग्स, मैं बुक बंद करती हूँ, अब तुम लिखो उस 10 चीज के बारे में और किस किस चीज में वो यूज आता है, देन यू कीप थिंकिंग। So that's why when you read once, no, कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग में आ ही जाता है.
Yes.
So it
And
really,
you've also suggested mental exercises even when you're eating the food, to smell the food and see what all might be the ingredients, to think
yes,
about them, make a list. Yeah, very interesting.
I
And
I
these
re-
are small things which we can do, all the time.
but we
So,
don't do. हम पता है क्या
yeah,
करते
we don't
हैं?
do because
खाना क्या
we have
खाए?
not read this book. That's why you're on the show, so that you can tell us. So those who have not read and who don't intend reading, at least आप उनको through my conversation, you can please guide them. What are the things they should be doing? So let's come to that a bit. Why don't you just tell the young ladies of 40 plus? I will call them young. So 40 plus onwards, what are the things that they should be, incorporating in their daily habits? These small tricks of the trade, I will say, to keep
I
themselves mentally agile as well as physically fit.
Yeah, first of all, don't restrict yourself from doing anything. अगर तुम्हें
Okay.
कुछ भी पसंद है,
Hmm.
because you have one life, enjoy, express. हम लोग एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं करते. अब अगर मैं जोर से हंसूंगी तो आप लगे अरे 60 साल की औरत इतना क्या क्या करके हंस रही है. हम लोग पता नहीं कितने मतलब निकाल लेते हैं. Let them express, be
Right.
yourself. Being yourself is the biggest blessing because we try to look perfect and there is no need to look perfect. Nobody can be perfect.
Wow.
So just let go yourself. जो चीज मैंने पता है क्या की थी, जो चीज तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है, try to see if you can give up that. तो जब मैंने शादी की ना, तो
हाँ जी.
मेरे घर पे मेरे मम्मी के घर पे तो ना कुछ ड्रिंक्स होता था, ना नॉन वेज होता था. ओनली आफ्टर माय मैरिज आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग एवरीथिंग. तो आई थॉट कि चलो अब मैं क्या करूं, बिकॉज गुरबानी शब्द ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू प्ले इन माय माइंड.
Right.
So I actually started doing things that tempt me a lot and which are not good.
Okay.
So I stopped eating non-veg. मेरे
Wow.
घर पे मेरे इन-लॉज के यहाँ ताश बहुत चलता था. I learned that also. तो वो भी मैंने बंद कर दिया.
अच्छा.
Occasionally, we used to have some drink. मैंने वो भी बंद कर दिया. So I never felt for a second कि I have done something big. Because
Yeah.
when you tune your brain कि ये नहीं करना है,
Then
so
enter.
it becomes just very easy. So I
Right.
hardly watch any TV. You ask me any TV shows, I wouldn't be able to tell you much. The only TV serials थोड़े बहुत मुझे जो याद है, because my daughter Sarah, उसके आते थे तो she used to say, Mama, watch and tell me how I've done the work.
Okay.
Generally, I don't. मेरे ये 2 साल के बच्चे जो ट्विंस है, आज तक हम लोग उनको टीवी नहीं दिखाते हैं. We
अच्छी
don't
बात है.
give them
It's
mobile
not good
phone.
for their eyes or mind.
Yeah, so we don't give them mobile phone. So there are certain things. अपने हिसाब से create some good rules in your house. You can start with 2 rules. You know what you want to do and what you don't want to do. Create
Yes.
that, because हम क्या करते हैं ना, we just चला लेते हैं. So any
Right.
house you must maintain 2 rules. जैसे मेरे घर पे जाने अनजाने में मुझे एक चीज हमेशा थी, ना मेरे घर पे कोई स्टे ओवर करने आएगा, ना मेरे बच्चे किसी के घर पे स्टे ओवर करेंगे. दिस वाज द स्ट्रिक्ट रूल इन माय हाउस. एंड माय
Okay.
नैना यूज्ड टू से, Mama, you're very mean, सबके बच्चे they go for stay over. I said no, you will not go, full stop. तुम कुछ भी करो, मैं कभी तुम्हें मना नहीं करती हूँ, but stay over नहीं. Because क्या होता है, when kids go in somebody else's house, आपको पता नहीं उस घर का माहौल कैसा है. And when kids are tender, छोटे हैं, उनको पता नहीं है. For all you know कि husband wife झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, बच्चे देखते हैं, या there is so many things. So
Yeah.
create some rules. बचपन से अगर आप कुछ rules डालोगे बच्चों के ऊपर, they will know the importance. और दूसरा रूल था कि never exchange your clothes and share. Like okay, we say चलो आज मैं तुम्हारी टी-शर्ट पहन लूं. Because I believe these are energies.
Yes.
अगर you borrow somebody's for wearing, And आजकल तो these things are very common, but somehow I don't like it.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
few
stay over.
things,
I think people who are listening and lots of youngsters are not going to like this from you
yeah,
because it's become such a common thing. And but you are absolutely right. You know, I also grew up in that kind of atmosphere. Like I was not allowed even after 7:30 to move out much.
yeah.
You know, I and if I had to attend a party, even when I was in college, my dad would go and wait outside and bring me back. You know, and the funniest thing was that on my birthdays I was supposed to invite my friends, and on their birthdays also I was supposed to invite them.
Oh,
So he would say, "Okay, आज उसका birthday है, ठीक है, उसको बुला ले, we'll have a party here." So I think, but there was a lot of wisdom in that kind of protection also, because these days, as you're absolutely right, children are witnessing much more trauma and they're going towards, more alcohol, drugs, and tobacco and whatnot,
because
and because of I think that training that I also stayed most of the time home, even when I was free and I was in a co-ed college in Delhi. But most of my friends used to smoke, but I never started smoking. I never took to alcohol at all till date. I'm not too much like even now I feel a peer pressure sometimes in parties if they give me a wine glass. वो भी मुझे लगता है कि क्यों पकड़ा दिया? But it's always been there and it's nothing big for me. And one thing more I resonate with you, like 2 years back I stopped having non-veg completely because I used to find it very tasty also. and, and I knew that it was not doing me any good now. It's not good for the teeth, it's not good for your digestion, it's just the taste.
just
So I
बहलाने के लिए हम ये चीजें करते हैं. Really,
and
really, it's not good. You will not do it.
yeah, and when my youngest son, somehow, I don't know, we are a majorly non-veg family, but he was born vegetarian and he would say things like, why are you eating dead animals
Yeah,
when he was growing up? So that thing also came into my mind, and I said, yes, high time to stop eating dead animals, no point.
yeah.
And I've never felt the need after that, it's changed completely. And I think it's lesser anxiety when you're not eating these kind of foods also, because they कहते हैं ना राजसिक भोजन होता है, it adds to your anxiety in your mind. You don't
Yeah,
realize it, but it happens.
major role. And I've left, I think it's more than 25, 30 years now. I don't completely.
Yeah,
Plus, I'm, you know, completely
yeah,
into all कुछ जो भी खाना you have to see, how good it is, क्या है. Very particular about what you're eating because your body and mind is your temple. So put something that जिससे आपको अच्छा लगे. Just don't
absolutely.
use your body as a bin. Just keep eating whatever comes. Don't do that.
Like Bernard Shaw said, no, I don't want to make a graveyard of my stomach.
Yeah.
So yes, and a lot of people are going vegan, and a lot of foreigners are turning totally veg. It's really something to understand why it's happening, and also I think we should think about controlling these, negative diets in our life, especially
Food is
because they don't do any good to your health.
no, not at all.
So,
Not
yeah,
at
so if
all.
you have to stay young, we have to look into all that, right? So, how do you act younger? Think younger तो बता दिया.
Act
Act
मैंने
करते
कहा
हो वो भी बता दिया actually. Feel
no.
younger.
See, when you're doing thinking and acting, doing that activities, you
Yeah, yeah,
add.
dance with the children and everything, right?
And
So,
मेरी आदत है like wherever if I'm in Sarah's house या अपने घर में सुबह को उठ के पहले ना धो के prayer करके ना I just get ready and फिर बच्चे बोलेंगे are you going somewhere? I said नहीं I'm not going anywhere. So when you are nicely dressed, you yourself feel good about yourself. हम
yeah.
कैसे घर बैठते हैं, you are sitting in your pajamas. That's a very lazy kind of attitude. So when you
Yes.
start changing the small, small things, it really makes a lot of difference in your life.
पर माला अगर आजकल के यूथ की तरह बनना है तो यूथ तो सारी रात पार्टी करता है आजकल का एंड सुबह तक सुबह सोते हैं एंड यू आर सेइंग कि टाइम से सो
See,
सो
I'll tell you, my daughter Naina, youngest daughter, she does uska kaam kaise she's doing. She's a coach and she trains people. Uske bhi utpatang times hai. But the thing is, my daughter, she doesn't go out. घर पे पूरा टाइम शी इज ऑन द कंप्यूटर्स डूइंग हर लेट नाइट सो जाती है बट आई ऑलवेज टेल हर नैना प्लीज आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू इवन एनी सेमिनार्स वेबिनार्स कुछ मत करो बट तुम टाइम पे सो जा टाइम पे कर वर्किंग ऑन
Yes.
इट बट जितना हो सकता यू शुड ट्राई you know
Yes, I
always
think earlier also I've had some great achievers on the show, and all of them have spoken about living with the rhythm of the universe. At least sleep by 12, get
yeah
up early, see the sunrise, and that's what's going to keep you young and give you all the energy to do what you want, even if you're a youth. Otherwise, a lot of young people, behave like old people these days. Huh?
yeah
They are young by years, but they are by their actions and what they're living, it's like old people.
yeah
ऐसा भी हो रहा है आजकल. So
हो रहा है
yeah, I totally understand that. So sleeping on time is important. Getting up on time is important. Um, Having a forest bath is important. Going out into natural surroundings. I think that is your favorite too.
that is like if you time permits, you go for some spa. I used to go saal mein 2-3 time. That Kerala thing where you have all the natural things, mud bath, and that
Yes.
at least good once in a while experience. जैसे अब हम गए थे for this commando training राजमाची में, तो वहां हमारे को शावर वावर ये सब कुछ नहीं था. Like,
Huh.
chilled money and
Oh
just
my
one
God.
bucket. तो उतने में ही हमको सब कुछ करना है, टाइम से उठना, टाइम से सोना. तो मुझे कोई तकलीफ ही नहीं हुई because this is what I believe and do in my life.
Wow.
And no fancy food, nothing. So I'm quite pretty sorted that way. You tune
Hmm.
yourself accordingly.
Wonderful. And also you do a lot of mentoring to young people, and मुझे ये बताओ, when you're talking to young people about all these things, do they actually listen to you? Do they make changes in their lives, or do they argue with you?
No, I'll tell you one case which I feel that the girl has done absolutely amazing for herself. मुझे messenger में message आया saying, "Di, you're really an inspiration for all of us." तो मैंने जवाब ही नहीं दिया.
Yes.
फिर थोड़े टाइम के बाद आया, "Di, I really look up to you, but." तो but हुआ तो मैंने सोचा there is something wrong, but still I left it there. Then she said, "But I am not happy."
Hmm.
And because she was a female, तो मैंने
Okay.
message उसको revert किया. I said, "But what? Why you're not happy?" Then she started messaging me. I said, "See, I'm very bad with messages और मुझे उतना time नहीं है. I will call you. Give me your number. I want to know what is the problem." So she immediately sent me a number and I called her. उसकी family में 2-3 doctors थे, right? उसको 14 years लड़की थी, daughter. और उसकी मम्मी नॉर्मल डेथ हो गई थी उसकी. Yeah, and she went into depression that उसकी मम्मी गुजर गई है and now she wants to give up her life. So I said, ये कोई मतलब ही नहीं हुआ. I mean, what I'm trying to tell you is कि छोटी छोटी चीजों पे लोग क्या क्या डिसीजन बनाते हैं that I want to give up my life. I said, तुमने कभी हार्ड लाइफ देखी भी है या नहीं? तुम्हारी माँ को जितना जीना था एंड नॉर्मल डेथ, ये भी नहीं कि कोई इलनेस में गई है, कुछ बहुत बड़ा हादसा हुआ है. You want to give up your life. What are you giving for your 14-year-old daughter? अगर तुम ये कर रही हो तो सोचो उसका फ्यूचर कहाँ जाएगा. What are you giving her and going? Then she started opening up धीरे धीरे and she said, मेरे घर पे तो सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं. I said, please, you don't have even a clue what you're talking. Please don't do these things. फिर मुझे पूछती थी मैं क्या करूं. I said, keep yourself busy. Talk to your daughter. Give her quality time. Understand her feelings. Otherwise, जैसे तुम उटपटांग चीजें अपने दिमाग में सोच रही हो, your daughter will start thinking that because the mother is not giving time. Then slowly and gradually, and within like For 5 months, she started doing painting and showing the paintings to me. I said, amazing.
Oh,
And now she teaches people. So this is what, if you,
wonderful. You changed her life completely with your guidance. Very
yeah,
beautiful. And this
yeah,
is how it should be, But it's really lovely that she reached out to you and you were able to talk to her. And that's
yes.
the beauty of understanding life so closely, and being able to help so many people, because you have seen it all, you have been through it all, you have faced death, you have faced bad health, you have faced all sorts of problems in your life. And today, otherwise, if I see Mala in one of her gorgeous outfits, I would say, okay, she's a glamour lady with, cushioned with everything. So that's why she has that broad smile. And the truth is far away from that. The smile is coming from entirely from her inner strength, that,
True.
she's like the diamond who has been cut and slashed, and she shines even better every time there is a cut
Any-
on her. Am I right? And she continues to do that. And so, Mala, continue to shine, continue to encourage, continue to inspire, and also come out with many new stories. And I hope you write another lovely book soon also.
I
I'm
really want
looking
to do
forward to
that.
that. Are you in the process of writing another book?
I haven't started, but I have a lot of things in my mind, कि मुझे ये
Yeah.
चीज़ों को सीखना है. I want to,
Yes, you must share your, experiences. So much experience you're loaded with,
I
and
really
you
want
have.
to buy this book. This is on
Yeah.
Amazon, and this, whatever the income comes from this book, I work with a lot of NGOs with senior citizens. I really work hard for them. So this
Yes.
money goes for NGO where I work.
Yes.
So
So
please,
anybody who is watching wants to do a good deed today, go order Grow Younger, and you will have authentic use of the money happening for the older people through Mala. So don't forget to do that today. That would be so nice. So Mala, another thing that's coming to my mind, a little different from what we normally talk on the shows and interviews. I want you to tell me which is your favorite song and what sort of dancing do you do, because you talked about wanting to dance. So what sort of dancing do you do? Do you do classical or just freestyle or what? Like, and then which song do you like to dance to?
first of all, I'll tell you, जब भी मैं dance करती हूँ ना, my daughter say, "Oh, we don't know her," because I'm so yeah.
So cute.
चलती गाड़ी में से ड्राइवर को बोलूंगी रुको 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 आई वांट टू गेट डाउन स्पेशली वो गणपति में जो ढंटड़ा का घाटी डांसेस है आई
Right.
लव आई लव इट दैट डांस इज सच अ
Okay.
वर्कआउट इटसेल्फ और इतना मजा आता है आई कांट टेल यू आई thoroughly
Yes,
enjoy that dance
I can
you know
imagine.
and
And what's yeah,
song
yes.
song, I'll tell you my all-time favorite song because जो भी चीजें मैं करती हूँ, they relate lot with my life, with my emotions. तो मेरे thoughts भी वैसे ही जाते हैं. It's a very nice song from movie called Waqt, जिसका ऐसे wording है कि आगे
Oh my
भी
God, I love that song too. So,
तू
Shelly, listen, I think time is almost up. So, I will
please.
try to put that song for the viewers also. Let's just do a bit of dancing to it.
And I want to
And
say this is the moment. Enjoy it,
yes,
love it.